Hello everyone. In this video, we will do exercises of the chapter Pronouns. First exercise is underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. First sentence is Sita told Geeta that she should work hard. Sita told Geeta that she should work hard. Rima's mother told her to rest after school hours. Next, the movie was a flop. The movie was a flop because it was boring. She is leaving the school because her father is getting transferred. The boys are shouting because they have won the basketball match. Mona and Malini went to the zoo, but they had to come back because it was closed. The teacher told the pupils to be attentive as she would be teaching a new lesson. Shalini wore the dress she bought from the market. The deer whimpered because it was badly wounded. Ruskin Bond is a writer. He has written many stories. Ruskin Bond is a writer. He has written many stories. Students, you have to underline the pronouns in all these sentences. Underline the pronouns and write against each sentence the form of pronoun or person used. State whether it is in the first person, second person or third person. You have to underline the pronouns. आपको pronouns को underline करना है इन sentences में और वहाँ पे ये आपको बताना है कि वो कौन से person का pronoun है, like first person, second person है या third person है. So first sentence is lions are royal animals. They are called the king of the jungle. Next, I like the cakes made by mother. You are such a soft spoken person. Their house is spacious. It is so beautiful and well kept. We are going to the Golden Temple. My mother cooks delicious food for us. She makes special food for Anik every day. You should maintain a collection of old stamps. I joined school on the first day of the new session. Cows are herbivorous. They eat grass, leaves and vegetables. So students, underline the pronouns and state whether it is first person, second person or third person. Like in first sentence, if we read first sentence, lions are royal animals. So in lions are royal animals. They are called the king of the jungle. So in this sentence, what is pronoun? They. 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 They is pronoun. Clear? So we will underline they, and we have to write whether it is first person, second person or third person. So they is third person. they कौन सा person है? थर्ड पर्सन है, क्योंकि इस सेंटेंस में किसी के जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है, लाइक दे, लायंस की बात की जा रही है और लायंस क्या है? लायंस के लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज़ किया गया है? दे. तो दे होगा थर्ड पर्सन का प्रोनाउन. ऐसा ही बाकी सेंटेंसेस को आपको पढ़ने हैं, उसमें प्रोनाउन को अंडरलाइन करना है और उसके आगे बताना है कि कौन से पर्सन का प्रोनाउन है. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज fill in the blanks with the correct form of personal pronouns. What is personal pronouns? like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These all are personal pronouns. So you have to fill these pronouns in these blanks. First sentence, please come here, dash wanted to talk to you. Next, come and tell dash what happened. My mother told dash about my great grandfather. Rita is my best friend and dash is absent today. I have a question for each one of dash. Our teacher told dash that we should not eat outside daily. They talk to dash only when they want me to do something for dash. They talk to dash only when they want me to do something for dash. Rita and I are good friends. Dash study in the same school. My mother was worried about dash. Their class teacher was angry with dash. So in first sentence, students, please come here. See, please come here. Dash want to talk to you. So which pronoun will be here? Please come here. Dash want to talk to you. So here we can write I. Please come here. I want to talk to you. कृपया इधर आओ, मैं तुमसे कुछ बात करना चाहता हूँ. Next, come and tell dash what happened. Come and tell dash what happened. So here we will write me, M-E, me. Come and tell me what happened. So like this, you have to fill all blanks. Next is underline the personal pronouns in the following sentences. Students, there are some sentences and you have to underline the personal pronouns. First sentence is, she painted a picture for us. We liked it a lot. I asked my mother the recipe of chocolate muffins. She told me and I found it very simple. I repeat, I asked my mother the recipe of chocolate muffins. She told me and I found it very simple. Have you been to the Qutub Minar? It is a beautiful monument. He is not doing well in studies, but we should give him another chance. They like sandwiches, but I don't have bread at home. Can you call Tarun? I need to tell him something. Vani has arrived today. She is taking rest. We had dosa for breakfast. We had dosa for breakfast. Jyoti and Meena are sisters. They live in Delhi. Do you recognize me? I am Sunita. So students, you have to do all exercises as a homework. After completing the exercise, in your notebook, send in class group. सारे एक्सरसाइजेस को आपको करने हैं और उसके बाद से उसकी फ़ोटो लेकर के आपको क्लास ग्रुप में भेजना है. Now let's do some activity. Draw 2 columns. You have to draw 2 columns in your notebook. In first column, you will draw some nouns like girl, apple, boy, 2 boys, car, a cat. फर्स्ट कॉलम में आपको ये सारे नाउन्स को ड्रॉ करने हैं एंड सेकंड कॉलम में आपको इन्हीं सारे नाउन्स के लिए जो प्रोनाउन यूज़ किए जाएंगे वो आपको राइट करना है. सो फर्स्ट कॉलम में आप ये देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे जो भी पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं ये सारे नाउन्स हैं और इन्हीं नाउन्स के लिए आपको प्रोनाउन यूज़ करना है।